Do you love breakfast but hate the thought of waking up early? Well, you're in luck, my friend. Because we found a bright and cheery brunch-themed restaurant right in the heart of Dallas' historic West End, where breakfast is served all day.
I pretty much almost always get breakfast here. You get pancakes, you get sausage, bacon, eggs. Yeah, it's really good. I love it.
Owner Joe Groves caught the restaurant bug at an early age.
My first job out of high school was as a waiter, and I naively thought that running a restaurant had to be the easiest job in the world.
Oh, no.
And it was just something that was always in the back of my mind.
But instead of firing up kitchen burners, Joe went on to a career in pyrotechnics. Lighten up stages for some of the biggest bands in the business, like Britney Spears and Black Sabbath.
It's such a dream job, and I had a great time doing that.
But in the back of your mind, the restaurant business was
Yeah,
looming.
I thought something needs cooking.
And so 30 years later, Joe partnered with executive chef Russell Mertz to open a restaurant where he could fulfill his childhood dreams of eating pancakes anytime, day or night.
I like breakfast at night. You know?
It's easy.
Well, we call it brunch all day. It's brunch o'clock somewhere. Somebody wants to eat breakfast at 9:30 at night, come on in. We'll do that. If you want to eat chicken fried steak or salmon fillet at 7 a.m., we can do that too.
It's whatever you want, but I will tell you, one look at these pancakes and you're
Yeah.
going to want breakfast for dinner too.
They are really good.
Stacks on stacks of fluffy, golden brown pancakes are certainly a must. But if you're really hungry, you've got to grab the pancake pot pie, a decadent dish dreamed up by Joe.
No, I had a dream about a pancake that was a layer of pancakes. It was pancakes and then sweet cream gravy and sausage and then eggs and cheese. It looks like a chicken pot pie, but it's a pancake pot pie.
Oh, fun.
But it is so good.
So delicious. You may think you're dreaming too.
It's one hell of a creation, to put it softly.
But if savory is more your style, try the chilaquiles, a mountain of eggs scrambled with chorizo, onions, jalapenos, and crispy tortilla strips, drenched in ranchero salsa and tangy Mexican crema.
You can't go wrong with breakfast here.
If breakfast is not your jam, the lunch and dinner spread is just as delish.
Probably the very most popular thing we have would be our meatloaf sandwich.
Oh, okay.
It's incredible.
That's a southern thing. You'll need a fork and knife to dig into this monstrosity. Prime Angus beef meatloaf is stacked on a buttery mound of mashed potatoes, smothered with gravy, a soft-cooked egg, and 3 crispy onion rings. This is not your mama's meatloaf.
It's Texas home-cooked food.
Another local favorite? Ellen's smoky, blackened shrimp and grits. Okay, Chef, what do we do?
We're going to take our jumbo shrimp, and then you're going to coat both sides with the blackened seasoning.
So they're really going to have a lot of flavor.
They do. It's not too salty, not too spicy, but it does add the right amount of flavor to it, I believe.
For a fresh take on this comfort classic, Chef Russell adds a whopping 2 cups of sautéed spinach.
Make sure we get all the bacon, tomatoes,
and
fresh garlic
It
out.
smells amazing.
We've had people come from New Orleans and say it's the best shrimp and grits they've ever had, only because it's different.
Ching ching.
Ching ching.
I love it. I love the addition of the spinach. That's delicious. Looking for an elegant escape? You're in luck. Once a week, Ellen hosts a relaxing afternoon tea.
It's calming, isn't it?
Very.
A 3-course delight with a selection of delicate tea sandwiches, plus sweet treats and champagne.
You get a wine and a tea with every course.
Wow, you just can spend the afternoon here.
Yeah, and it's only for $5,000. It's great.
Whether for tea or toast, anytime is a good time to head to Ellen's, where it's always brunch o'clock.
Best of both worlds, you know?